she's feeling, this man is something else. I will not let him go.
I'm just going with the gut. Never had a doubt. Felt like this is just.
Hey guys, my name is Sahil Gera and welcome back to another video. Well guys, if you are watching this video right now, you obviously had the experience of going on a date. आपकी हो सकता है date अच्छी गई हो सकता है ना अच्छी गई हो. But in today's video, I'm gonna tell you guys exactly about 5 things that you should never do on your date. So cutting the bullshit, let's get started with the point number 1. Yeah, Priyanka. Okay, so you are coming on metro. You know what? Do one thing. Just meet me at the restaurant. I'll see you there. You know what the problem was? You're not gonna make a good first impression. So what should you really do? Yeah, Priyanka, you remember we have a date today. Okay, so you are coming by metro. You know what? Just do one thing. Just meet me at this metro station at 8 p.m. I'm gonna pick you up from there. And when your date is over, be a gentleman and tell her it's post 10 p.m. now. You know what? Just don't worry about that. I'm gonna drop you home. Coming on to the point number 2 on today's video is how you open your ketchup. You are sitting at McDonald's with your date. आपके हाथ में बर्गर है. आप सॉस डालने लगे हो. Oh man, please don't ever do that. I am telling you guys, it is so disgusting that you open your ketchup pouch like this. It is as simple as that. एक ketchup pouch पे आपको साइड में scissor का निशान होता है. Simply उसको corner से फाड़ो, बीच से फाड़. I'm telling you, she is gonna be so turned off from you because you cannot even handle the delicate things. How you gonna handle her? Coming on to the point number 3 on today's video is the eating manners. I am telling you guys, a true gentleman never eats like this because he is a very classy person. He knows his sophistication level and he handles his food with delicacy. And I'm not telling you guys कि आप fork और knife लेके बिल्कुल ऐसे start हो जाओ show off करने. Just handle your food with delicacy and show that you are a well-mannered person. You are a true gentleman and you know how to handle your food. Coming on to the point number 4 on today's video is your dirty footwear and your dirty nails. If your shoes and nails are dirty, she is gonna know that you are not a hygienic person, and I'm gonna give you just one tip: clean your shoes and trim your nails. Coming on to the point number 5 on today's video is don't use that phone in front of her. Well, everybody is gonna tell you that. Everybody well, सब आपको यही चीज बोल रहे हैं कि don't pick your calls in front of your date. मैं आपको ये कह रहा हूँ कि जो भी पहली कॉल आप रिसीव करते हो उसको उठाओ अपनी डेट के सामने and say that thing. The thing is, I am out with someone important right now. I'll call you later. And after that, don't receive any calls or reply to any text messages in front of her. And you know what? She is already impressed by you because you made her feel so important on that date. And she is gonna love this gesture, and she knows that if she is with you, all your time is invested on her. And you know what she's feeling? This man is something else. I will not let him go. Well guys, this was the video for today and I really hope कि आपको वीडियो काफी पसंद आई और हेल्पफुल लगी हो. And I know that you, my friend, are gonna rock that date. और बहुत सारी वीडियोस आने वाली है ऐसी टाइप की. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll take your leave right now. It was great seeing you. I'll see you in my next video.